This is an old Camillus rigging knife, or rigger's knife. Sure comes in handy on a ship. We've got a sharp blade to cut the rope when you need to. And on the other side, we have an attachment that's called a MARLIN spike. This is a locking attachment, so you can press this and release the lock. For the longest time, I thought MARLIN spike was a sharp tool that you use to help bring marlin aboard your vessel once the marlin is caught. Nope, I was wrong. This thing called MARLIN spike is used to detangle rope, undo nuts, create handles, splice rope, and generally stuff like that. So I had no idea. Rigger's knife made by Camillus. Man, I gotta be careful not to take my fingers off. This MARLIN spike is crazy, crazy strong. Check this out. Oi! Ooh, ringing.